Dumela. Dumela Shwatong. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, it's Sunday. We need food in the garden. So we are doing shopping. We are going to buy this and that. Spinach, carrots, maybe onions and herbs. Ne? We're doing shopping today in my backyard. Enjoy the video. Sazile. You know what I need? For this stop a waste service. You can put that in your pocket. Okay, this one is yellow. Which one is coming okay?
It was kind of cold yesterday.
Need to find a juicy one. Let's hope it's a juicy one.
Big stem, little plants. I think
Oh.
the smaller stems are bigger.
Eh?
If you were to do the smaller stems, they would be bigger.
Let's see. Maybe we'll be lucky. We can find
It's
some.
basically
But a win is a win. A win is a win.
This is basically a gambling game. That's a good one.
It is. Under here, it's a gambling game. You don't know what you're going to get. You might see the leaves very big
And you see a very,
and
very
a very
plant.
tiny leaves, and then you find for the smallest one.
It's the
That's
biggest
where the food is, and then the big leaves, nothing under. So it's a catch 22. It's like you're searching
Or maybe when there's like a big leaves, there might be a big plant underneath.
for, yeah.
So
It's not promising.
it's basically just gambling. Why are you getting specific ones?
Because I'm kind of looking for the one that are picking up on the soil, peeping on the soil. Oh,
Eh, just take the ones that you think is good.
I don't know. I'm just going around. I'm not even sure.
And that one is a tiny stem.
Oh, stop playing to again.
Yeah, I stopped it. We're only getting tiny ones. The luck is gone.
No, there's something. It's just hiding.
Two in one.
It's not two in one. It's just two seeds.
How much carrot seeds did you plant?
I don't know. I don't count.
What if you planted like 50?
Let's say this big one. Maybe there's something.
What they be like a small thing?
I told you. Look at the leaf. Look at the leaf. You see?
Uh-huh.
Let's say this big one.
Tiny, tiny, tiny. You can't even eat that one.
No, you can't. Nah. You can't.
Maybe try this one.
Which one? This?
This one here.
Yeah, it is tiny.
Tiny leaf.
Very tiny.
Just try the tiny leaf. Oh, that's a chunky one.
Looks like you have to wait a while.
That's an insanely tiny one. You need to put that one back.
Yeah, let's go.
We need to wait more.
Huh?
Are you sure this one?
Wait, I don't take it out. Hey!
It looks like it's gonna be something
No,
big.
no. Well, whether this mic is working or not.
We're praying. We're hoping for the best. But it should work. Have you charged it? Then it should work. Unless there's a power
Oh,
on
no, it's
button.
working.
Unless there's a power
Hey,
on.
it's working. No, too far.
Zoom in.
Serious.
But make them close. Make them closer. Is growing. The apple tree has some flowers. So that means we might get apples sooner. I'm the first one to pick the tree. But you know, I like apples, I like bananas, I like pears. You give me anything, I'll eat it. Even if it doesn't look good, I'll taste it. At least. Lettuce. That's barely any spinach for the pots. That's not a lot of spinach for the smells nice.
So this is everything that we harvested. Yeah, so at least we just need lemon. I'll add one more, maybe 2 lemons here, and then I'll be done. But anywho, thank you for watching, and then I'll see you on my next video. Monyana wa Motswana wa go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlangeng kere tuile. Bye guys. Oh, and we are done.